Darling, we're going to talk about something that's super special, which is the aftercare of when you are with a woman. And let me tell you, when you do this in this special way that I'm going to share with you, what it's going to do is it's going to increase her desire to be with you more and more intimately, but also it's going to deepen the connection. It's going to create this connection between the two of you that you both and all of us secretly crave. We all desire this sort of connection, but all too many of us fail to actually get what it is that we really want, what we're really made for, and what we really desire. But I'm going to show you how to create this with her. It's really important that this experience is not to be missed when you're intimate with a woman. So I'm Arica Angelo. I've been doing this for 17 years. I have videos that come out every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. So trust me, you want to subscribe to my channel. So when you make love to us, and after you've orgasmed, she's orgasmed, she is in a state of bliss like none other when she's truly, truly, truly reached that peak. She's reached that orgasm. And the best thing that you can do in that moment is to create closeness with her. And I understand you're exhausted. You've given your life. You've given everything you have to this woman in that moment. And you are just spent. You just want to collapse. But in this moment is a golden opportunity for you to create this sort of connection that deepens things between you so that you both feel bonded to one another in a way that you both deeply desire and deeply crave. So after you've made love to her and you've been able to make her orgasm and you're like, oh, Arica, I don't even know if I'm qualified to do that. I think we're just finished, and she doesn't feel that state of bliss. You know, I have my mastering intimacy, and I really show you how to be a masterful lover in that. And even right now, we're running a special discount on that. So you can get it in the comment section in the description, where you know from the beginning to the end how to really make love to our bodies in the way that we do create this experience with you where we just collapse because the sex, the intimacy was just so damn good that she just keeps wanting you over and over and over again. It's in the comment section. It's in the description. But in that moment, what I want you to do is this. Even though you're spent, even though you're tired, you're going to do this. You're going to pull her in close to you. You're going to get her to lay on her side. You're going to spoon her from behind. So she's in the fetal position. You're in the fetal position right behind her. And you're going to hold her. And sometimes as women, we get a little bit nervous in this because we're like, oh, does he really care? But when you start holding her this way, you start gently caressing her, maybe touching her arms, maybe taking your hand and going gently up her spine, maybe playing with her hair. You see, when a woman starts talking so much, we're in fear of like, I feel so bonded to you in this moment. Please don't abandon me. Please don't desert me. Please tell me that you really feel as close and euphoric and as connected as I'm feeling right now. When you hold her this way, when you gently touch her, when you let her know that you're there, what it does is it goes, it soothes her. It soothes her nervous system. It lets her know that you feel just the same, that you're deeply as bonded. And if she's one of those talkers and she's still nervous, you can always say, darling, I just want to be present in this moment with you right now. Can you just let me touch your body? And let's just be in this moment together. In fact, in the comment section, would you write that so I understand that you understand this? Let's just be in this moment together, because it is such a powerful moment that you guys have in this aftercare, in the bonding after lovemaking has been had. And you'll feel it. You'll feel when she calms down, her breathing starts regulating. It's not like it starts calming down. You start calming down, and sometimes you can just give her a gentle little kiss on the back of her shoulder just to let her know that you're there as you're gently caressing her. And here's another side bit. I think that, and you can tell me what you think about this in the comment section, but I think that men too crave these moments. And so first I want you to teach her how to give these moments, but then I would love for you to be able to receive these moments from her as well, letting her hold you. And so it's that sensual touch that really, really seals the deal, that makes us feel close to you, that makes us feel like we can trust you, that disarms us, that lets us know that you're not just there to take from us, but that you truly care, that you're truly a giver, you truly love us, you truly feel connected to us. You can accomplish all of that through touching her sensually after you've made love to her body. And sensual touch is something that I think is something that we can carry on throughout the day. We can carry on throughout the evening. In fact, it's the sensual touch, in my opinion, that keeps us coming back to the bedroom for these moments. But even when the moment is finished, you can continue to seal the deal with that and create more experiences because you're touching her so sensually. And I do have my art of sensual touch, because I think that sensual touch is something that women and men, we all need right now. I don't think we're getting enough touch. I think it's why we have so many issues with mental health, why we're also stressed, why we're all trying to escape from our own bodies into our phones, into social media, into the news, is because we feel so alone in our bodies. But when we're touched sensually, it brings us back to ourselves. So you can get it in the comment section and the description as well. After she's calmed down, after you feel like you've caught your breath, that's when you can be super elegant. And I talk about this in the in Mastering Intimacy. But when you go and you get a towel and you say, darling, stay right here, I just want to clean you up. Damn. A man who knows how to do that and who goes and gets a towel, maybe he warms up the towel and he comes, and then when he starts cleaning her off, man, game over. Game over, bud. You have just put yourself in a league of men, of elegance, of caretaker, of warrior who becomes soft. It's like William Wallace meets Casanova. It's just that beautiful combination that every woman craves, like that you've just given it to her body so intensely, and then you go and you gently wipe her off. You clean her below. Man, this is why women will crave you. This is the kind of aftercare we deeply desire. And I would love to hear, once you've applied this, how it deepens your connection with her, how it creates that lasting effect where she keeps coming back to you for more. So trust me, you want to subscribe to my channel. Here's a video just for you. I highly encourage you. Watch this video, deepen your intimacy, and become the man that she cannot resist. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. You take care.